Hi guys and gals, hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna talk to you about how to hold your pick. This is the mistake I see the most with self-taught people, and they don't even realize how much it's holding back their progress. So I often see people holding their picks like this or like this, and the thing is, even some books tell you to hold it like this, but just with a minor adjustment, it could make the biggest impact on your playing and how comfortable it is. Instead of holding your pick like that, what I'd like you to do instead is just curl this finger up a little bit. So another way to do this is to just curl up your index finger like a hook, then put the pick so that if you draw a line through the middle, it would be a perpendicular line to your index finger, and place your thumb on top. By holding the pick this way, you're able to strum way easier because your hand is parallel to your guitar, and you're actually massively reducing the risk of injuring your wrist. And for the intermediate players, this technique will make it way easier to use the palm muting technique as well. Another thing you should think about is how much of your pick is poking out. It's a little bit like holding a pen. So if you hold a pen at the end, then it will be very hard to tick a box. But if you hold it way closer to the tip, you will be able to pinpoint with very precise accuracy. And the same goes for your pick. So if you hold it at the end, it will be very easy for your pick to just go flying everywhere, and you'll need to apply more pressure to keep it in place. But if you hold it closer and have just a little poking out, then you'd be able to strum way more precisely. But beware, don't hold it too close so that the strings are cutting through your fingers. You don't want to be damaging your fingers, right? Keep it in moderation. Experiment with what works best for you, how much of your pick you should have poking through, and how tight you should hold it. I've also left some links below to some of my favorite picks that you can check out in case you need some help picking them out. Worst pun in history.
Your favorite.